Brad Hall here. Now that the weather is getting good and warm, it's time to break out those summer shoes. I've got 5 options that are perfect for summer, plus I'll show you how to style those shoes for the season. So stay tuned. Now with this list, I've got 5 specific shoes, but I'm gonna really focus in on what makes those shoes the perfect shoes for summer. That way you can go out, go shopping for your perfect summer shoe. So keep that in mind with this list. Up first, we've got the UltraBoost 1.0. It just re-released and it came out at the perfect time. The mostly prime knit upper, that makes it breathable. The full length boost, that makes it comfortable. There's a pull tab in the back and you can grab onto that tongue and you can just slip this shoe on fairly easily. Then of course this shoe is mostly white. That's a summer staple color. It's gonna help keep the heat off your feet, and it goes with pretty much any outfit. This next shoe, the Nike Blazer, it's another mostly white shoe, so it's got that summertime versatility. This one has a leather upper, so it's not as breathable, but it does give you a little bit dressier look. Still casual, just something a little bit nicer, maybe for those summer nights. The leather upper is also nice because it's easy to clean. You don't have to worry about getting these dirty. You can just wipe it off and your shoe is gonna look relatively new all summer long. Even though white shoes are a summer staple, that doesn't mean you can only wear white shoes. Fun colors, they're just as important. And this next shoe, the Nike OffWhite Vapor Street, it's got a lot of fun colors, this bright orange lace, that pale yellow upper. Then you've got that blue tongue that just pops, also comfortable. And it's got plenty of traction down on the bottom. That's really important, pretty much in any season actually. Another fun, colorful summer option, Imran Potato's Lobster. This is a fun take on the upcoming Yeezy Foam Runner. This one is incredibly breathable. Look at how big those air holes are. If you're wearing a pair of socks that wicks away the sweat is just gonna make its way out of those holes. It's got this big opening, you can slip it on easily. You're not gonna waste any time, you're gonna maximize your summertime. What I really love about this one, you can wear it outside or inside. It works as a slipper, so on those really hot days, maybe you don't wanna go outside, you can throw this on. The last one on my list, the Yeezy 350. It's got so many great summer attributes. It's got the prime knit upper, so it's very breathable. The full length boost, very comfortable. This one is even easier than the UltraBoost to just slip inside. And of course, there are a lot of great summer colorways. That upcoming Zion colorway, that one's gonna look good. Now, something all these shoes have in common, they're all good looking shoes. And that's really something to strive for with your perfect summer shoe. I wanted to show you how cool looking these shoes are. So I took some photos with what I'm gonna be wearing this summer to just show off these great summer looks with the perfect summer shoes. So let's see that. Just some really great summer looks in there. So that was my show for today. If you're looking for that perfect summer shoe, I hope all this info helps. Good luck finding it, and thanks for watching.